3 surprising facts about a new sunroom for your home. Thinking of investing in your home? With tons of versatility, easy installation, and hands-off maintenance, a sunroom is a practical way to get instant, long-lasting value. Here are 3 surprising features you may not know about a new sunroom for your home. Install it in just a few days. Unlike many at-home investments, a sunroom can normally be ready for use just a few days after construction if you have the space ready. Partner with a qualified dealer, and the entire process is hassle-free, from construction through electrical wiring. Use it in all weather conditions. The best sunrooms are designed with thermal protection in mind. This means the roof is constructed of materials that provide insulation for added warmth, and the glass walls have thermal features and protection from the sun, reducing harmful UV rays. Have confidence with a warranty. The Temo aluminum frames of your sunroom are warranted not to peel or blister under normal use and service due to weather or sun exposure. Our warranty is peace of mind and confidence that your money is well spent and your investment will continue to deliver for years to come. So go ahead, relax in style. You deserve it. Turn your backyard patio or deck into a year-round family room, playroom, home office, or even a workout area. To learn more about the benefits of owning a sunroom, pergola, screen room, or patio cover, or to get a price estimate, give us a call or visit our website at sleepycreeksunrooms.com.